Hey guys, what's up? It's Alice and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Angelic Pretty's Heart Cafe OP, which is this beautiful piece over here. And then I'm also going to talk about the shopping service that I use, kind of step by step, in case you are also interested in using a shopping service for your future purchases. And lastly, I will be announcing the prizes for my third and final giveaway for my 5-year anniversary / 2000 subscribers giveaway. So what exactly is a shopping service? A shopping service is basically a third-party company or a person that you can hire to help you buy from places that don't ship to you, or let's say you don't understand their website, so they basically help you purchase items. And you can utilize them for in-store purchases, auction sites, or just in general online shopping. So for this particular purchase, I utilized Tenshi shop. She has been a well-known shopping service in the Lolita community and the J fashion community for a really long time. And this is my second time utilizing her services. So she does all three. She does in-person shopping, online shopping, and also auctions. The last time I used her services was for the Ankh Rouge Lucky Pack. That was just a simple online purchase, so the whole transaction was really fast and really easy. This time I was asking her for an in-person, in-store service to actually physically go into the store and purchase the items that I want. And the whole process was really easy. So all you have to do is fill out a form on her website, and you basically write like your name, your email, your information, and then list down all of the items that you want her to buy. And then she'll reach out to you via email after that, and all your conversations will happen on email. She's also really quick with answering emails, so the whole process was just really smooth. So how much does it usually cost and how long does it usually take? So each shopping service have their own policy. With Tenshi Shop, she basically only charges you after she buys all the items. But there are also companies that will ask that you pay everything up front first, or at least pay a deposit. So it just really depends on the shopping service that you use. And she also charges either 5% of the total items that you've purchased or 500 yen, depending on which amount is greater. And she charges for her train ride, which usually only comes up to like 400 yen. And then the payment processing fee and shipping. So those are all the costs. From the time that I submitted my form and received my package in the mail was exactly 1 month, but that was only because she kind of took a break in between for like 10 days. And she managed to purchase most of the items in the store for me, and there was just one thing that she was waiting on that so happened fell into the time that she was taking a break, which is why it took so long to get to me. But I think that if she had gotten everything in store and that was all I wanted, then it would have been a lot faster. But I also wasn't in any hurry to get any of my items, so I just told her to take her time and there was no rush. And eventually everything got here in one piece anyways. Overall, I am really satisfied with this whole service. I got everything that I wanted. Tenshi is a really pleasant person to work with. I definitely recommend her services and I will definitely use it again in the future. This video is not sponsored, but if you would like to sponsor me, I am available. And alright, now that that's over with, let's get right into the unboxing part. So this is Angelic Pretty's Heart Cafe OP in pink. It's got like the maid vibe with the cute little apron, and it's like pink and white checkered. It's really cute. The bottom is a little wrinkly, I think because it's been in a box for so long, and then also, I don't know, it feels kind of odd on the bottom here. I mean, I really like the scallops. I think it really adds to it, but just kind of messy, I think, personally. Even in the back, like this part on the bottom down here, I have no idea what's really happening down there. I hope that it looks better once I put it on and have a petticoat and everything. But I'm gonna wait until I try it on to really decide. And yeah, so the front over here, the apron is detachable. There's a little pin here, and it's just so cute. Like the buttons, heart shape, there's bows, and there's a little Angelic Pretty logo down here. And also on the end of the apron, looks like this. It's so cute. I don't think I've worn Sweet Lolita much in the last couple of years, so I'm actually really excited to try this on and see how it actually looks on me. There's also no shirring in the back, so let's hope that it actually fits. I kind of like it. I like it, even though the bottom seems a little messy. Overall, I think it's still really cute. And also just like the lace details and the little bows kind of gives me a little old school vibes, which I really like. And yeah, I'm excited to try this on. So along with the OP, I also bought the matching head bow, or headband, which just looks like this. Totally adds to the maid vibe. And just has like a lot of bows and lace, and then a little AP logo over here. On the day that they released this Heart Cafe OP, they also released these handcuffs, which I believe are not part of the same series, but they released it on the same day and they kind of work together, so I bought them anyways. So cute. I don't have a lot of wrist cuffs, so I was really excited to buy new ones. The pink is a little off, maybe, but I think that it'll work. And then there's also this like choker that comes with it that you're just supposed to wear like on your neck. It's really simple, just got like hearts on it, but it's part of the OP. I think it will look really cute because the OP kind of has like a lower neckline. I'm just kind of afraid that I'm gonna lose it because it's like a whole separate piece and just like one string basically. Oh, but the OP has pockets, so I can just put this in the pocket so I never lose it. Okay, and then the last things that I bought. So along with the release of this series, they also released a bunch of adorable like accessories of bears wearing cute hats. Like I think this is the patisserie hat. It's so cute, so I just had to get it. This is the ring, and this is the necklace. It was so adorable, I just had to get it. I'm not a big fan of like plastic accessories, but come on, look at it. Look at its little face. That was the one thing that Tenshi was actually worried that she wouldn't be able to get, but I'm so glad that she did. Alright, so now that the shopping service part is done and the unboxing part is done, this is the moment that most of you are probably most excited about. Let's talk about my third and final giveaway. There will once again be 2 prizes, and the second prize is this necklace with this matching ring from indie brand Sweet Juju, which is run by my friend Julie. And now that I think of it, it kind of matches the necklace and the ring that I just bought. So this is really fitting for this giveaway. This set is so perfect for any of your chocolate Lolita cords. And the first prize will be this Angelic pretty bag, brand new, and it is pretty gigantic, so you're gonna be able to fit a lot of stuff in here. It's so cute. I was actually really tempted to keep this for myself. The rules of my giveaway is the same as my previous 2 giveaways. You have to be subscribed to my channel. This is US only, 18+, and to secure a spot, just comment on this video. If you want extra entries, you can comment on any of the videos that I have released in the past 5 years. I think there's about 200 videos, so just go ham. I will announce the winner in 2 weeks, which is April 18. So I hope that you participate, and good luck in this giveaway. I am going to try on this OP and the whole set. I'm going to really quickly try on this OP and all the other accessories that I bought just to see if I have any extra comments. But if I don't, then thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.